Eating num nums.
Num num.
Yeah, baby's eating num nums.
Mama.
There's mommy.
Mommy.
And there's baby and Matthew. For the bed and the mattress.
For everything that, yeah, for the bed, mattress, and sheets. It's a fire engine. Daddy's gonna put it together. We went into Toys R Us in Kansas City off of Overland Drive and bought it. And on the way home, baby screamed. Matthew threw a fit at Toys R Us. Melissa threw a continual fit at Toys R Us. So I don't think it's a good idea to take the kids for too long of a period of time anywhere. But now that we're home and putting the fire engine together, it's great. Okay. Tomorrow Jack's gonna come in and organize the room because it's kind of messy. I organize it every day. It doesn't stay too good. The bed costs $300 with everything. With the 2000, November 34, January 29th,
31st.
31st, year 2000. We're sitting here. We're gonna have dinner
30th.
here. I made fish, fried fish, salad, and a fried rice pancake. And Matthew's sitting there eating his goulash, and we're watching the Super Bowl. How you doing, honey?
Doing wonderful, sweetheart. Okay, that's it for now.
Well, let me get you a picture. His little Poshka having his goulash on January 30th during the Super Bowl. Oh, she got your little bunny. Look at that. Be my Valentine. Well, we'll put that up here too, okay? And then you've got put it next to your hearts. And then, oh, look what else she got you. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Put Mickey Mouse up there. We'll put Mickey Mouse up here. And then let's see what else she got. Oh, what's this? Oh, well, she said it's coffee filters. We can use those. Mama said it's coffee filters. But did you see the two frames she sent us? Those are really nice. Dan's, or Papa John's Pizzeria, and got a pizza and brought it home. Jack was all dressed up, and I was dressed up. And Matthew had fun. And I gave Jack a card with 2 free gift certificates saying that he gets 2 free back rubs, so I'll give him one tonight.
I think the lighting's lousy in here right now.
That could be, oh yeah, when the lighting is lousy, you have to kind of put it closer so you can see. This is the box of candy Jack always gives me Valentine's Day, a heart-shaped box of candy for Valentine's Day. It's beautiful, this is beautiful. I love it. I love Valentine's Day. It's my favorite holiday. My favorite holiday of the whole year. 678, that one. Somebody kind of fit into that one, I think.
No.
That's good.
Okay.
I love it.
Very nice, honey. Okay.
Happy Valentine's Day. The vacuum that I bought today, the sweeper that I bought today, called a Caddy Vac Hoover. Yes, okay. So today is... What do you think of it?
It's fine. It works great.
You think it works? I don't think it...
It worked great. Well, I got everything up in here.
Oh, okay. I think there's any more. those are, now what did you use these, were these bowls, Mama?
These were salads.
Oh, those are beautiful. Yeah, come on. Mama, you can follow us a little bit out of the camp. Come on. Let's go, James. Woo! Matthew and his friend Sean came over today, which is Jennifer's little boy. And they were over here and we took a long walk. We played in the yard. Mama, gonna blow the bubbles.